Hello, Jamb 2010 Economics Past question number 9. If the price of a commodity with elastic demand increases, the revenue accruing to the producer will A. double, B. be constant, and C. be increase. C will increase and D decrease. The correct answer is C, increase, because this is talking about positive income of elasticity. Elasticity, which is applicable to normal commodity or normal goods. So the positive income elasticity of demand is the type of income elasticity of demand in which an increase in income of consumer will positively or equally lead to an increase in the quantity demanded. So the correct option is option C, increase. Thank you. Please subscribe for more questions.